Just remembered we ran out of the butane bottle yesterday, so this is no good today. Gonna have to get the big cooker out. Oh, it's all going on here. Oh, lost the old tea bag handle thing. Bad guys won't be happy about that. Oh, switcheroo! Ahoy folks, and welcome to another installment of the adventures of Jake and Trishi. Today we're starting off at a little town called Mount Larcom, I think it is.
I think so.
It's just on the side of the Bruce Highway here, and it's about 30k west of Gladstone. So we'll get back to the truck and we'll push on somewhere else. Good morning, Gaz. Morning, Gaz. What are your thoughts on the temp today, Gaz?
It's hot already.
It's pretty hot. It's not even 10 a.m. and Gaz is cooking.
Yeah, I am hot. It's probably only like 20 degrees.
Let's get a bit of highway action when there's some cars. Update, Mount Larcom, not Mount Larcom. It's Larcom, not Larcom, Trishi.
Oopsie.
Ooh, that's what we want. No, 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 bad gas, bad gas.
Weirdo.
Guess how many I'm going to collect bad gas? How many do you reckon in here?
20?
Alright, I'll let you know. There's probably, I don't know, maybe 30 of these. Someone's just had a tooth flossing frenzy. Hey, check this out. I'm just under this little pergola and I've noticed this cool little design up here. I don't know if this is standard. I don't know anything about building, but see where those arms join? There's like a steel ring and then they've got little plates coming off the ring that all of the arms attached to. I reckon if you didn't have that, you'd have to do some Pythagoras wizardry to join everything up. So yeah, that's cool. Time for the old solar screen apply. That way, bad gas. Fits really well. Got these little sucker pads here so you can stick it up. Putting Lockie in place. Love your work, Lockie. Bag Gaz. Yeah, not such a silly bum bag anymore, is it?
No.
We're in Rockhampton now. Trishi wanted to check out a zoo, so we've come down here. She's just lathering me up with the old solar sauce, and then yeah, we'll go check it out.
You say solar sauce?
Yeah, sunscreen.
Oh my gosh.
We're on foot. Let's go check out this zoo. I think we zigged when we should have zagged because we've ended up at the botanical gardens instead of the zoo, but still pretty awesome spot. Get a load of this fanish looking unit. What a plant. Bloody danger noodles, always spoiling the fun. Here we are, Bit of spot the difference action. Meerkat Gaz. Chilling. Wow, I've never seen a headless emu before. Oh, never mind. Can confirm, not real. Here's the first salty we've seen for the trip. Hopefully it's the last one we see, but somehow I don't think it will be. Thoughts on the zoo, guys?
Yeah, it's pretty good. And it's free, so that's good too. We're going to Yeppoon, which is about 50 k's from Rockhampton.
When I saw you walking down that hill, head high and shoulders back, watching you was such a thrill. All that I could do was laugh. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it back. We were running on that open shore. No saddle on his back.
We've just gotten to Rosslyn Bay now, which is just south of Yeppoon.
All that I could do was laugh. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it back. I couldn't hold it back. There lay beneath
Just got back from fishing the headlands around Rosslyn a couple of minutes ago. I met some local guy at the car, we walked to the headland together, so I didn't get any clips on the way up, but I'll run the clips from the fishing now. Love to catch a tuna or a Spanish mackerel, but really, I'll take anything that hits this lure.
from my head to toe.
Awesome spot. Oop, that was a terrible cast.
We were swimming with the silver moon, dancing like a maniac. We raced each other to
Gotta love a bit of local ingenuity. Nothing wrong with the old rod holder. Too bad we're not bait fishing though. Just nicked the leader there on the rocks, just getting the lure back in, and I'd hate to hook up and then have this break because that little nick, so we're going to cut that little section off. So let's give that a go. Oh, that's gone a lot further. cut back to current time video. So now we're in the Rosslyn car park here. There must be a boat ramp around somewhere because I think we're in a boat ramp car park. And Bad Gaz is on the pots and pans. What are you cooking up, Bad Gaz?
Something different, noodles.
That's it for today.
See ya.